Ryobi's brushless stick vac is ideal for vacuuming in and around the home. Our technology combines a frictionless brushless motor, intelligent electronics, and lithium-plus battery technology to deliver up to 43 minutes of vacuuming and 95 air watts of suction. This level of suction and the 1,160 liters per minute of airflow makes it ideal for cleaning carpets and hard floors. It also comes with a crevice tool and round brush, so it can be used in the car, on coving, or on blinds. This powerful brushless motor delivers 20 kilopascals of suction and has a 500 milliliter dust cup for collecting dirt and debris from around the home, which is quick and easy to empty. It has two modes: max mode for powerful suction on carpet with the brush bar to agitate dust and dirt, and eco mode for hard floors and providing maximum runtime. The removable brush bar is easy to clean and remove hair from. The vac also includes a wall mount for easy storage in the home. When used with our 5 amp hour lithium plus battery, the stick vac can work for up to 43 minutes, enough time for you to leave your workshop clean and clear. This stick vac is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your OnePlus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the OnePlus system of over 100 great tools for your home and garden, this powerful cordless stick vac will work with any OnePlus battery.